Welcome to Crafin. In this video, we'll show you how to complete your KYC verification and securely add your bank account details for payouts. The entire process takes only a few minutes. First, log into your Crafin account and open the My Account section. You can withdraw up to a total of 5,000 rupees without completing KYC. Once your total withdrawals exceed 5,000 rupees, KYC verification will be required. Click on Verify KYC to begin. The process includes 3 simple steps: entering your details, uploading your documents, and waiting for verification. Select any one of the available identity documents. You can choose Aadhaar card, voter ID, passport, driving license, or NREGA job card. After selecting the document type, enter the requested identity document number, your PAN number, and your date of birth. Make sure the information is entered exactly as it appears on your official documents. Your selected identity document and PAN card must belong to the same person. Documents belonging to different people may be rejected during verification. Your submitted details and documents are encrypted before being securely stored on Crafin servers. After checking your information, click Continue to upload. Upload clear images of the requested identity document and your PAN card. When using Aadhaar, upload both the front and back sides. Make sure all 4 corners of the document are visible and the information is easy to read. Avoid blurry, cropped, dark, or reflective images. Review your information and uploaded documents carefully. Once everything is correct, click Submit KYC. Your account may temporarily display KYC pending while the documents are being reviewed. After submission, Crafin's verification team will normally review your KYC within 30 minutes. You can check the verification status from your account. After submitting your KYC, return to the My Account section and open payout details. Select bank transfer as your preferred payout method. Enter your bank name, account number, IFSC code, and account holder's name. The bank account holder's name must match the name of the person whose KYC was submitted. A name mismatch may cause the payout to fail or be delayed. Before submitting, carefully double-check your bank name, account number, IFSC code, and account holder's name. Even one incorrect digit may cause a payment failure. When everything is correct, click Confirm and Save. Bank transfers are available 24 hours a day, excluding bank holidays. For payouts below 100 rupees, a 5 rupee payout fee will be deducted. There is no additional payout fee for payouts of 100 rupees or more. Your KYC and bank account details have now been submitted successfully. Once your KYC is approved, you will be ready to receive eligible payouts through bank transfer. Thank you for using Crafin.